Okay, so this is the duffel bag from APRILBAY. They sent it to us so that we could show it to you. And what it is, it's a heavy-duty tactical gear bag, gym bag, travel bag, sports bag, weekender bag, whatever. Pet, you could put your pet stuff in their bag. You could make it a very rugged diaper bag even. How about that? This is your very, very rugged diaper bag, but it's really well made. You've got compression straps right here that you can tighten it up.
Right.
You've
Once
got
you
lots
get all
of
your stuff in there, you can really
zipper.
Get it. Yep.
All the little zipper pockets and outside
side you got
pockets,
the
and
Yep.
you got the Molly system on.
So you can add more stuff.
You can just clip more stuff onto these
And
Molly
it's got
straps right
look,
here.
It's got another. And it's
Yeah,
got
there's a pocket
nice,
right there. Yeah, it's got a lot.
So you
It's
put
got
all
like
your,
four main compartments.
Right.
One, two, big one, three side, four side,
right.
and then the sides have little Molly straps on the side too. So
yeah,
adjustable shoulder strap, mesh pockets on the interior there.
I'm going to use this on our trip. We're going to head out for a couple weeks, and I know I don't want to take a whole bunch of stuff with me, so this can be perfect.
Yeah.
To keep my amount of stuff I'm taking with me to a minimum, but you can fit a lot in here.
Yeah.
And I really like the whole compression thing because I like to make squishy things down. So,
and it's got the nice reinforced stitching here on the grab handle on the top.
Yeah,
and
it's good.
Nice zippers, quality zippers with the zipper pulls on them. So, man, this is very
really
well
nice.
made. I'm pretty impressed with that.
Impressed, and I like the color too.
Yeah, it's the nice olive green. Thanks for sending that to us.